Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, I'll show you how to open a Treasury Direct account step by step. We will also include various tools that will help you manage your investments in the description below. To start, go to the website treasurydirect.gov. Now on this page, you will see a section to log in. Click on the option that says Open a new account. Next, you will be redirected to this page. Here, you will see information about opening an account on Treasury Direct. Read through all the information as needed. To continue, click on the button that says Apply Now. For step 1, choose an account type. You could choose between individual, business or organization, and estate or trust. But in this video, we are going to open an individual account. Click on the option that applies to you. Once the account type is selected, click on the button that says Submit. Next, on the fields provided, enter all the necessary account owner information such as the first and last name, tax identification number, and date of birth. You would also be asked to provide contact information which includes the street address, city, state, zip code, phone number and an email address. Lastly, enter all the necessary bank information such as the bank name, routing number, account number, name on the account and the account type whether it's as a checking or savings account. After entering all the necessary information, you will see a taxpayer identification number certification. To continue with the submission, click on the checkbox inside the message prompt. Then click on Submit. Review all the information provided. Once reviewed and if everything looks good, click on Submit. On this screen, select a personalized image and provide a caption on the field provided. This would appear on your password page and help you know that you are in an authentic Treasury Direct website. Once you do that, click on Submit. Lastly, choose a password. On the first field provided, enter the password you wish to use. Then enter it again on the second field to confirm. You could also put a password reminder to help you remember your password in case you forget. Also, answer 3 security questions on the list provided for added security. Then click on Submit. That's how you open an account on Treasury Direct. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.